So how are you related to Dixon?
He's my cousin.
Oh, okay. Hey, turn around. Don't mind my friend, he's too much.
I said turn around.
Don't mind her.
I mean it. Turn around.
You know what? Go home. I'll send West across. I need to speak with her first.
Hey, my princess, please. Please, I need this job.
No,
please.
no, get up.
Please, I promise I will do everything. I'll be humble.
It's okay.
Please,
it's okay.
Please. You won't regret employing me.
Don't worry,
princess.
don't worry. I'll send West across to you, okay? Don't worry, just go.
I should go.
Just go.
I'm Dixon's brother, please.
It's okay. You hear from me. It's a promise. Just go.
You'll be engaging.
Oh my God! Did you see that?
See what?
I will deal with you. You don't know who you just messed with now.
Chief, I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I got a call that my mother was at the hospital. Chief, I had to rush to go see my mother. Before I got there, they referred her to UBTH Benin City. Chief, then I had to use the car to rush see my mother. Please, I am sorry.
You will tell all those stories when the police get here.
Please, Chief, please don't tell the police. If you take me to the police station, my mother will die. I'm the only one taking care of my mother at the hospital. No other person. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Let me have my keys.
Okay. Very, very serious. As we talk now, as we speak now, my mother is at the point of death. If I don't just leave now, she might die.
Yeah? They talk. You are tying my clothes.
Yeah, you're looking at my guy.
Yeah?
My guy.
Okay, what you gonna tie my this for me now?
And they beg you since they waka they beg you.
When they come, can we get in? I think
you go tell my clothes. Oh. If I mention, you go follow me now.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.